Hello everyone, today we're gonna solve another LeetCode problem. Share my screen. Okay. Here we have problem 1909. Remove one element to make the array strictly increasing. It's an easy task. Given a zero-indexed integer array, we need to return true if it can be made strictly increasing after removing exactly one element, or false otherwise. If the array is already strictly increasing, return true. The array nums is strictly increasing if nums previous element in the array less than our current element for each index. Okay, here we have a few examples, like this array is strictly increasing after removing 10. Here we can't do it with only one removing, and here just element with the same array with the same elements. That's why we need to return false. Okay, and some constraints. Let's think more about solution. I think we can use here something like go with loop through our array, where we can, like, for example, we have this array. Start from the first index on the from 0. Like, for example, what will be our rainbow A? It's B. And if B I think maybe if B bigger or equals A, and I think we need some variable for counting how many removals we need. Like, from the beginning it will be from 0, and if we have B bigger or equal or A, in this case it's our B it's 1 and A is 2. We increment our removals for 1. So the main idea is just go first and check like 1 is bigger or equal to no, and then we take 10 and 2, like 2 bigger or equal 10, no, we take 5, and here we have 10 bigger or equal 5. In this case, we mark like our removals that we need to remove at least one element or 10. And then just go through the whole array till the end and count all removals. But I think we can just have some conditions that if we have more than one, it's exactly false because we have condition that exactly one element might be removed. But I think, of course, we can have, like in this example, where we have all elements the same. It won't work because our removals will be 0. Okay, it will work because we check like bigger or equal. And in this case, it will pass and we will increment our removals. Okay, in this case, we cover this too. And here we have like, let's try with this example. So we take 2, check is bigger or equal 3. No. We take 3 is bigger or equal 1. Yes. We increment our removals and go then forward. And here we have a problem with we removed 3, for example, but it's still not strictly increasing because we have 2, 1, 2. And this array can be can't work with only one removal and yeah, and okay. I think we need to when we finished it this one, we need to check that or replace this element to something. Okay, let's try to code a bit and we will figure out. Here we create our variable. Yes. 0. We're gonna start from the first element. And I think we need to extend our condition for a loop, like until we have less or equal 1 removals. Here we check our nums 1 bigger or equal nums. Here we have situation like this. We increment our removals, and here we can check that if I bigger or even this equal 1. Okay. We need to think about it a bit more. Let's return we will have like removals less or equal 1. To if it's bigger, we will have false. And here, if we have okay, let's try to check what we have count station. Okay, we covered these two cases like I described before. In this case, we have true instead of false. Okay, we take 2 bigger equals 3. No, 3 bigger or equals 1. Yeah, we increment our removals. And then we go to check 1, 2. And it's not work because it's not strictly increasing array after single removal. Okay, I think we can check like if I bigger than 1 and nums like we can check that if we are somewhere here in this part of our array, we can go 2 steps back, like from the 1 to 2. And this 2 is less than our current element where we are. We can just replace this okay, we can try to replace it with the previous element. If if 2 less than 1, okay, I think it should be like bigger. If 2 bigger than 1, then we change 1 to the previous element. Yeah. And we didn't pass one of these cases. So what we have here? We have 1 for 1, 2, 3. We take 1, check with 4. 4 with 1. We have first removal. Okay. Then we take 1. For bigger than 1, we check that 1 is bigger than 1. Okay, I think we need to have here bigger or equal. Yeah. And it passed successfully. Our runtime beats 35% of users. Okay, thank you everyone for joining.